This is undeniably the fastest crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter right now. In just 5 days, the Smith blade surpassed $5 million in funding, and this year a second $10 million project is already on the horizon. The Smith blade is a titanium alloy, multi-function folding knife. From the Canadian YouTube team Hacksmith Industries, the creators known for turning fictional movie props into working real-world products. Their channel has over 15 million subscribers. This multi-tool's primary materials are M390 steel and Ti6 Al 4 volts titanium alloy, which give it both lightweight and excellent corrosion resistance. When closed, the knife measures 5 inches long, about 12.6 centimeters, and it weighs roughly 95 grams. Its hardness reaches 61 to 63 on the HRC scale. The Pro version offers as many as 21 functions, including a blade, a protractor, wire cutters, multiple screwdrivers, a bottle opener, a flint for starting fires, glow-in-the-dark illumination, and an emergency glass breaker. The Smith blade is available in Lite, Standard Pro, and Founders editions, designed for everyday carry and for outdoor emergency use.